Good day, this is Mike Olden with Lee Smith. I look forward to working with you on your next truck need. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. Taking you on a product review on this specialty body. This is a 24-inch cross-box saddle box mounted on the back of the frame rail, followed by a 12-foot dump body, two fold-down sides on the driver's side, and on the passenger side, a fold-down side and removable side. We'll get there in a minute. Up underneath the body is a 36-inch undermount toolbox. The manual crank at ground. On top of these 24-inch solid sides are stake pockets that will receive 24-inch wooden stake slats and stake posts that can be easily maneuvered at the upper working height. So two fold-down sides gives you immediate access. These are load-shedding sides, so as they fold down, there's an angle that kicks the dirt away. On back, we have two cam bars for the locking mechanism of our door, a heavy-duty tow package, and safety chains. Take a look at the interior of the bed. You can see the pocketed area for the load shedding ability of the sides. So on the side, you do have this fold-down section and a lift-out section that allows you to get to our secret apparatus. This is a tuck-away liftgate by Themen. It is a side loader, which allows you to have a 36-inch platform with an 8-inch ramp that comes up to the side and is 2,000 pounds of product work effort. Think about the way that your guys work hard during the day. They're going to appreciate that. This is a 20-inch deep, 20-inch tall, 24-inch wide saddle area with across the frame rail 52 inches of shelving, followed by three 70-inch deep shelves, meaning they're not full width, so you have some storage on the other side. Another secret little area. But think of the storage capacity you gain by making use of the area that's up underneath the saddle box. The control from the liftgate, tuck safely inside the box to keep it away from the elements. The driver's side is going to feature 10 hooks for ropes and electrical cords, a storage tray for chemicals, and again, you can tell the depth that you have of the 20 inches deep, 20 inches tall, 24-inch wide space, giving you lots of volume to manage your business day and to manage your tools that you carry with you. We're going to fold down all the sides and take a look at what she looks like all folded down. One-man operation. 12 feet of loading space on the driver's side. Opening our rear door. Again, it just opens itself up when you take a look at the rear door open and the side folded down. And let it fold on down. Our last section, that's got to be a manual removal. And there we have it. Again, all the sides folded down, all the access points open for you to get into the flat floor of the bed. The quality of the side of the bed in your latches and your Zerk fittings, 1, 2, 3 on the side. Greasable Zerk fittings on the rear door as well. And there we have it. Into the locking position. And there we go. Get that set in. Rear set in. Nice and solid. Again, Zerk fittings around on all the hinge points. This is, again, the ground level crank makes it extremely easy to keep control of the tarp mechanism. And through that demonstration now on the fitted side, going to put it back in here. And I'll do the quick video on the tuck-away gate when I did it in the shade. This truck has many different neat features, one of those being the side loader tuck-away liftgate by Themen. It is mounted on the curbside, safe side of the truck. The controls for the Themen liftgate are tucked inside the storage box to keep it away from the elements. When your staff is tired and they're still shoveling all the heavy wheelbarrows, or they're bringing on that root ball or that big bolter, what 2,000 pounds of capacity will do for you. It's a back saver, it's a personnel saver, it's a really good option to consider. I want to take a look at what the gate looks like in its stowed position when the dump body is up. Again, tucked perfectly up underneath the side. The overall profile width required for this gate is 60 inches. We'll go ahead and put this puppy away. Bring it an inch or two up off the ground, fold it up and over. It's up and it pops up. There we go. Bring it on up to the nested position. There you have it. The physical opening, 49.5 inches for that pallet load. Pretty nice to have. Root ball come in, root ball set down, maneuver. My back's feeling great. Thank you, Mr. Bossman. That's for sure. I've raised the dump body up. Let's take a look at our understructure of this. It has a rugby lift attached to a 7-inch long sill, 12-inch on centers, mud flat bracket to support the distance between the tire. Make sure we spray down versus rocks behind you. 38-gallon stainless steel in-frame fuel tank. The exhaust piping travels up and over the rear axle all the way back to behind a safe exhaust at the rear. Up underneath the body is the safety. If we're going to be underneath the body working for a while. Stoppable so it doesn't travel on its own. Lift up and lower. Sits right above the rear spring hanger. 36-inch toolbox. 36, 18 deep, 18 tall. Metal bracketed to the frame rail. Grab our side. Take a look at our side link here. We have an 82-inch fold down side on the curb safe side of the truck. Our height on the solid portion of the fold down side is 24 inches. Clasp at the front, clasp at the back. 2 stake pockets on the side. And again, you have more than 48 inches to load that pallet right over this rear axle. Pallet, 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 pallet. Make sure you're mindful of your overall payload. Balance it out right on top of this teeter-totter. This is an 11,000-pound rear axle, 19.5-inch tire, plenty of guts and glory to go with you during your business day. At the rear, we have upper and lower grip for the rear doors. You're going to get a full load width of up to 92 inches to load on from the back, load off from the back. Just gravity help. Now with the side off, you can tell the incredible width that you get for that load of 48 inches of a pallet to come in and set down inside your window envelope here. The Isuzu features the 3-year, 36,000-mile base warranty, a 5-year, 75,000-mile powertrain warranty, an extended warranty that's available to go up to 5 years, 125,000. And if you want to take a look at the PSMP program to flatline your cost, that can go to 5 years or 202,500 miles. So again, this is Mike Olden. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. Go make it a great day.